Okay, hello guys and welcome to a new video. Okay, as you can see, market slow. Okay, already 3 hours market up and down from this area. Up and down 200 pips. 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips. Okay, what next? Okay, actually, I want to recap what happened today. Okay, I want to recap about the movement of selling. Okay, why I'm still focused on sell because gold still don't make high. Okay, as you can see, this is high low, and this is low high, and high low, and low low, and price still not make a higher high to continuation for buy. Okay, if have a higher high, and my expectation is gold can make a low high and we can start focus on buy, but gold still respect on that resistance. Okay, so once gold start respect the resistance, we need to know. That's why I'm focused on sell. Why? Okay, the first is this support. Okay, you need to know the sideway here already touch 1 2 3 4. Okay, I already told you if have zone. Okay, first test you can try for take risk. Example, this is zone support. Okay, example, for first touch you can try for buy. Okay, once pull back for second touch you can take for buy. First touch, second touch, but once gold pull back for third touch, please don't buy. Just relax, just waiting next confirmation. If still respect, we can buy if break the resistance, and then we can buy here. Not buy here, just buy at the highest price, which is the break of the resistance here. Okay, this is the confirmation that we need to wait. Okay, but what happens to gold? Gold breakout. Gold breakout this support. Okay, gold breakout this support. And what happened? Okay, once break the support, my focus is I want find sell. Okay, which one? Okay, first I just marking the swap zone from here until here. Okay, this is swap zone first, and second is the engulfing at the H1 here. That's why I give sell, but have two zone. 1 or 2, and gold reject at second zone, which is at the highest zone, and then boom. Here, boom, 100 pips and something, 110 pips maybe. Okay, so what next? Okay, for what next? So for next is we can use this trend line as a reference. Okay, second one, we can use this trend line as a reference. Okay, if break highest, we can focus on buy. If break the lowest, we can focus on sell. Okay, but we need to know where the highest, where the support. Okay, we need to know and identify. First, we need to know the R. Okay, and second one here. Second R, R1, R2. Okay, next, this is support 1. Actually, I have one support as for now. Okay, as for now, my focus is gold can take this level, and then boom, and break this support, and break this support. Okay, so my target here, so gold still have potential to keep falling until this level. Still have potential, but we need to know gold still have roadblock here, which is swap zone here. We need to know swap zone here. We need to monitor what happened here. This is the roadblock here. We need to monitor. If break, we need to find sell here. Okay, make it simple, but at the lowest one still have support zone at lower time frame. So what do you think? Will gold can falling until this level, or will break this level and fly? Okay, if you want find sell, just focus on this resistance. Okay, you can use this resistance as a sell zone. Okay, just marking like this. just marking. This is first zone, which is the low risk zone because this is H1 setup. Okay, the second one is M30. Okay, M30 as right now. Okay, have support zone here, which is engulfing fail. Engulfing fail. What is engulfing fail? Engulfing fail, which is EG fail, is like this. This is engulfing buy. Buy setup already breakout. Solid breakout. Once solid breakout, once pullback, this is will be engulfing fail. Don't focus on buy here, just focus on sell here. Why? Because the support already breakout. So once the breakout, we need to change from buy to sell. Will be SBR, which is support become resistant at this level. Okay, so you have two zone, which is you want take risk at the highest one or you want take risk at the lowest one. Okay, so this is the zone. So we need to see will hit our TP or not. Okay, but you need to know the setup will fail if gold break this level, break this resistance. Okay, on H1, if break solid, we need to focus on buy. Once pullback, focus on buy until this level. Okay, so as for now, it's still respect, we need to focus on sell. If respect, we need to focus on sell. Just focus on sell, because have confirmation sell. Okay, because the direction as for now still I'm focused on sell because gold still break out the support. So my focus is the engulfing here will break. My target is I want this support break. My target is if gold follow for first zone, gold break this support. Okay, if not, you can TP here. You can put your TP here. Okay, because this is support. So you can put TP here if you scared to hold. But if you want hold, just lock your entry with break even. Make it simple. Break even your entry. Okay, this is second zone. You can use as a H1 selling, which is this is engulfing sell. You can use at H1 from 1955, 1956 or 1957. Okay, I find another confirmation. M30. Okay, don't have any confirmation unless M5. So just lock your entry, just put your pending order if you want put your pending order here. If respect, if gold will take all entry, my target is gold is falling. Okay, if not, gold will falling right now at M30 setup. Okay, understand or not? Okay, so I hope you guys can learn something from this video. So we need to monitor tomorrow because tomorrow market will moving like usual. So just be prepared for tomorrow because today is slow down. Okay, market sideways. You can check on M5. Sideways on 20 pips. Long time. Already 3 hours, okay? 3 hours at the same price. Up and down, up and down. Don't have big movement. Up, down, up and down, up and down. Okay? So just be prepared. Maybe tomorrow lah. Okay? We'll give the movement. Selling my target. Okay, my target is sell. Still focus on sell. Unless gold still not break this zone. Please don't break this zone. Don't break. If don't break, my focus on sell because they respect. Okay, so my focus is gold respect the zone. Okay, we have a lot of zone, but we need to try. Which zone we need to try? You can choose one, which is medium risk, or this is low risk actually. This is a medium risk. Okay, at the highest one, this is the previous setup. Already take the zone. So we have only 2 zone, which is first, second. Okay, so what's your thought on gold? Will keep falling or will break highest? Okay, because in trading only have two decision, which is buy, which is sell. But we need to waiting game. We need to just waiting. Always be patient and just focus on your analysis. Just trust your analysis. But if break, what? Just counter tomorrow. Just counter tomorrow. If break resistance, we focus on buy. If break support, we focus on keep find continuation for selling. Okay, so I hope clear today. I already give explanation why I find sell here, why I give early entry. So I hope you guys learn something. Our quality setup today, I already give 3 setup, which is first setup sell, we win. Second also sell, and third also sell. But for fourth setup, I don't know, gold will spike on this level and keep moving downtrend or will break. Okay, for fourth setup, I'm still monitor. If still slow, we need to continue tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. So you can enjoy your days. Just be prepared for tomorrow because tomorrow market will moving like normal. Okay, that's all. Bye guys.